Isaac. Ready. Iti ka papa bi sei pa. Minya bi dem oba be na mpeme. Kwaku. Camry. Abi to check. Uncle guys.
Hello.
Oh, crap.
Pretty. I won't say. Yeah, I won't say what. Do you live around?
Not really.
No. Oh, okay. Can I be your friend?
Okay.
Oh, okay. No, I came with a friend to check on some business partners, and it's delaying me actually. I have to leave. Can I have your daggets? You don't mind? Oh, really? Okay. Your number, please.
0244
0244
539
539
233.
233. All right. And the name is
Patricia.
Patricia. I want to Patrick. I want to rough.
Yes.
Oh. I would have loved to drop you off, but I have to wait for him. Okay, I can't just leave him.
No problem. Can I go now?
Oh, sure. Why not?
Excuse me.
Ready me din kwasi asem. Obi anche me. Before we go.